Hello pool players, I want to address a commonly asked question, and that is, where do I strike my cue ball when I want it to go to a certain place on the table? In other words, which English do I apply to get a cue ball to move to a spot that I'm trying to put it at? Well, in this case, we're going to use this simple cut angle down the rail. I'm going to try to pocket this blue ball cleanly in that pocket. These balls are marked, paper reinforcement, so we've duplicated the shot. Now, this is a complicated thing. It's not an easy answer to give. We don't just say hit the cue ball here and your cue ball is going to come back. We're going to apply different spin rate because we're going to apply different action through the cue ball. Speed and spin are also going to affect how we aim at the shot. This is why the game is so tough, you guys. If I apply outside low left like I'm going to in this case, I'm going to throw that ball down that rail. I want to try to throw it cleanly in so we have that apples to apples comparison, but watch where the cue ball goes when we hit it differently, even though we're applying the same English. It hit right there, about 5 inches up from the second diamond. So now let's see what happens if I lighten my speed. I'm going to really lighten my speed here and see where this cue ball goes. I like using the elephant ball because we can really see the spin rate on it as well. Try to go in clean with that object ball. Now that one hit further up, hit up in here. So now I'm going to really try to juice the cue ball. I'm going to try to put a lot of spin on it here, and let's see what happens. 3 shots, all the same, but all are different. So far we've moved like 5 inches up, then a little further, about 7 inches up. Now let's see if I put a lot of spin on it here, what happens. And that hit way down here, so that's like 4 or 5 inches, 4 inches from the second diamond. So we have 3 locations, here, here, and here. All from the same shot, but with different spin rates. You see why this is so difficult, you guys? I'm going to take a look at the video to see how I went into the corner as well, because cheating the pocket will also make a difference here. And let me just say this as well. There's a part of this game that we must learn, and that is how to apply stun on a ball. There's different degrees of stun. Some people say when you hear the word stun, it's about a skidding cue ball and it's 90 degrees off where it hits the object ball, and that is a pure stun shot. But there's degrees of stun as well. So in this case, if I hit that ball harder, I'm stunning the angle differently into this cushion, okay? And especially if that ball gets further out, that stun's going to have a different angle going into this cushion if it's a cut into that corner. Got to understand that. That's why this game is so tough, you guys. So hard to understand. It's all about physics, and it's about knowing how to go through the cue ball with action. And that's what this video is about. If you guys have any questions or comments about this, leave them in the comment section. I answer every one. Please share this video as it really helps my channel, and hit that thumbs up. And if you want to see another great tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.